We're setting fire to our insides for fun, collecting pictures from the flood that wrecked our home.
You're fighting with your mom again, and I'd go somewhere with you, somewhere with you. Do you remember when we learned how to fly? We'd play make-believe, we were young and had time on our side. You're stuck on the ground, got lost, can't be found. Just remember that you're still alive.
Nobody really knows who St. Valentine was, so they gave him lots of stories, just because. Dry your eyes, no tears, don't cry. Now you know Valentine's Day is one fat lie. We spend $20 billion a year on roses and heart-shaped souvenirs. Sentimental ads try to tug at our heartstrings. Show her you love her with a $40,000 ring. It's really less about love, more related to fear. So dry your eyes, no tears, don't cry. Now you know Valentine's Day is one fat lie. So it's Valentine's Day and you're single, and you got nobody with which you can mingle, baby. Dry your eyes, no tears, don't cry. Don't you know Valentine's Day is one fat lie?